Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing good wherever you're at. So today we're going to talk about the recent drop that happened and a couple indicators that predicted the drop for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So real quick, looking at the market here, you see most stuff is down today. Now this was pretty amusing because yesterday Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla is accepting Bitcoin as payment. So my theory is that a lot of people sold their Bitcoin to buy a Tesla, hence the recent drop. Again, that could be all speculation, but I think it definitely did add to the recent drop. There's a lot of hype about it, and then there was a big drop afterwards. So that's one of the reasons why I think we did have the big drop. But looking at some coins here on our watch list, so you can see Wax here is up 1%. So this, again, is an NFT coin, one I'm very bullish on, as well as Red Fox Labs. I think definitely use this opportunity to buy some of these because they have been growing really well. Actually, Red Fox has been 100% growth, and then Wax has been a 3x growth. So I definitely think these can have a lot more in the tank. And then Frontier, I mentioned, they do have an announcement on May 31st in a week. So it's still positive right now. So definitely good buying levels here for a lot of these coins that I'm very bullish on. And then Royal Finance actually has a deal with Boson to enable them to use virtual currency to buy stuff for the real world. So good stuff, partnership happening with that. So again, a lot of opportunities here for altcoins to buy some cheap altcoins for the future. Now, going over some indicators here. So Bitcoin, we're on the 1 hour chart and we're on Binance. That's very, very important to be on the Binance chart. It is the most accurate for a lot of volume and price indicators. So as you can see here, I have the MACD, the whales buy sell indicator, but I also have the price extractor indicator and the volume extractor. These indicators are by CryptoScripts as well as the whales buy sell. He makes some pretty good indicators, so a guy I've been recently involved with. And actually they were doing pretty well for this drop. So as you can see here, yesterday, this recent drop that happened, you can see that the MACD actually switched from a dark green to a light green, indicating more sell pressure. And then here on the volume extractor indicator, we actually did have 3 red diamonds in a row, which indicates big selling going on and is very bearish. So you can see here, these 3 red diamonds showed up on these 3 green candles here, indicating a sell was imminent. You had this switching MACD, and then here it was right on support. So we knew if it was going to break support, that'd be a very violent downturn. And then on top of that, you had the whales buy sell indicator flashing a sell signal here. And then look at that, all of that combined, and Bitcoin just crashed. It crashed through this diagonal support that we had, this previous resistance of 54,000 or support of 54,300, and then it bounced on the support of 51,700. So right now you can see the price extractor has actually flashed some oversold signals, so that's why, helping with that bounce there. And the MACD has started to flash from dark red to light red here, indicating less selling pressure. So again, we may have a continued upside here, but one thing I'm keeping an eye on is this support level here at 51,800. If this breaks, I'm definitely looking at the next support of about 49,800. So that'll be something I'm keeping in mind. But good to see these indicators actually call this downturn. And then looking for Ethereum, this works best on the 4 hour. You can see here that the MACD was actually already low and it was trying to cross to the upside. So I mentioned that was potentially bullish, but one thing that would annul this buy signal on the whales buy sell is actually this red diamond on the price extractor and red diamond on the volume extractor, both indicating big sell pressure coming in. Then you got another one with both of these. When both of these flash at the same time, that is like an extreme confirmation. So you had those flashing, and then you had the MACD here, which you could tell, okay, if this gets rejected, which is super bearish, then we're going to definitely have a huge downturn. And look what happened. We had a huge downturn. The whales buy sell flashed a sell signal afterward, confirming that downturn, and then we went even further down. So good for these 2 indicators here, price extractor and volume extractor, calling these sell signals. Right now, it's trying to bounce off this diagonal trend line here at about 1580. If it does break down, I'm definitely looking at this next support level of 1440. So hopefully ETH can turn around here. It can start crossing to the upside on the MACD, get some positive price action. But again, these 2 indicators here still can have a ways to go to the downside for ETH, unfortunately. So we'll have to see what happens with that. But with that, if y'all have any questions about the indicators that are on my chart or want to join my Discord group, definitely go ahead and drop a comment below, or you can contact me on Twitter or Discord with the links above. So until next time, thanks for watching.